Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're coming across my channel, know that I love you so much. If you have been with me from the beginning of the journey, know that I love you so much. Thank you for being part of my small beginning. And in today's episode, I'm just going to do a flawless makeup tutorial, but there is a twist. I'm going to do something different. There is a twist. Yes, you all know me to be someone who always draw her eyebrow first, and I'm team eyebrow first. Nothing is going to change that. I'm team eyebrow always. In today's episode, I want to do my skin work first before drawing my eyebrows, so that you guys will see how it will turn out to be. Myself, I can't wait to see how it will turn out to be. So I'm doing my foundation, my contouring, my highlighting, all of that first in this episode before moving on with the eyebrow. Yeah, so let's see how it will turn out to be. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, please do well and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out my new uploads. Be part of my small beginning. Thank you. Let's get into the business of the day. So you all know me. First things first, you all know that it's not even a news. You got to clean your face before makeup. Even if you are just doing touch up or just something on your face, you need to clean your face. So let's go. Okay, so after cleaning your face, I don't know if the lightning is so here. I think it's okay. So after you are done cleaning your face, the next thing you would do is to use your primer. But today I'm not going to use primer. I'm not going to use primer today. So I'm going to use Dr. Rachel Vitamin C Brightening and Anti-Aging Soothing Gel. It's a gel actually. This can do a whole lot of things. Silky smooth for hair treatment, a moisturizer mask, replenish moisturizer for body. And another thing why I'm going to use this as my primer today is for a glowing look. Use this as your primer. So let's see how it goes. I actually like how it feels on the skin. Honestly, you can see that. Okay, so you can extend it to your neck area actually. I don't know if you can see the glow on my face after the moisturizer. I don't know if you can see that. So this is what I'm going to use in place of my primer today. So I know I'm very good at mixing foundation to get my shade. So today I'm going to mix Vortex Natural Matte Foundation and HD Foundation Moisturizer. HD Foundation Moisturizing. That is what is written here. Magic Touch MTB Beauty. Magic Touch Beauty. I'm going to mix the two and see. Okay, so this is what I got. Let me apply it and see if I think it is looking a little lighter, but don't worry, because sometimes when your foundation is looking lighter than your shade, you don't need to worry. When you are coming to use your face powder, you can just use a one that is more darker than your shade, so that the whole makeup will look perfect. So for my contouring, I'll use this dark foundation from Adventure Makeup products. I'll use it for my contouring. This place. To your forehead. It's the way I'm doing my face for me. Just know that when you do your face like this, these places are the cheekbone. It's funny though, but I had to. It's a tutorial, so anything for you guys to get what I'm trying to say. See how my nose is looking so pointed. As you are watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, okay? So if you have been following me for a while now, you will know that I always use this for my blusher, my red velvet lipstick. It has been a lifesaver. This apply. I love blusher, so pardon me if you think my blusher is actually too much, but it's personal. You can just apply your blusher the way you like it, but for me, I love blusher. That is why it seems like I'm applying too much. You blend. So it's time for me to do my highlighting beneath my under eye, over here and over here, the forehead and the jaw. So I'm using Blossom Spotless Perfect Camouflage concealer. So these are the places that you need to apply your concealer. This place, this place, this place, this place, your jaw, bridge of your nose. You get it. This place, and then your forehead. I hope you are seeing how I am applying them. Don't just get up and start applying your concealer anyhow, please. This is how you're supposed to apply it. You start blending from the edges here. Start blending from here. Then you start going deep. You need to raise your eye, whether you want to or not. It's a must when you are blending this place. So now we are going to use our powder palette from Kiko Makeup 12 color powder and cosmetic blush. This is what you are going to use. You first of all have to use your powder under your eye, over here, these places, before you use your setting powder. It is important. If you really want to achieve a flawless under eye, you got to do this. Don't just get up and start applying your setting powder. No, I will not advise that. So before I proceed with my eyebrow, I'll have to set my face first using Blossom Makeup High Definition Setting Powder. I think aside Avo foundation, Blossom products are the next product I actually use a lot. They are also good, very, very good. It is time for me to draw my eyebrow now. Yes, so let's see how it goes. So first of all, I have to brush my natural eyebrow up. Brush it up. Your pencils need to be very well sharpened like this before you use them to draw your eyebrows. I keep saying that. So let's go. Okay, so I think I'm done with my eyebrow now. Yeah, I think I'm done with my eyebrow now. So the next thing I'll do is to do my eyeshadow. Before we continue, don't forget to drink Belaqua today and stay hydrated. I need this, honestly. My eyeshadow palette are always small but mighty. This eyeshadow is from Beauty by Fela. I got it 2 years ago and it's still doing wonders. Beauty by Fela. Yes, this one is the Warrior by Juvia's. The Warriors by Juvia's. This eyeshadow palette was also gifted to me by a friend who is also a makeup artist, Glow Girl, and the shadow in here are so sweet. They are not too loud. I always use this powder palette on my brides because the eyeshadows are actually very nice, not too loud. As you can see, the setting powder is gradually absorbing into the skin. Yes, that is the purpose of applying setting powder under your eye and the places supposed to be applied on. Alright, let me use this purple eyeshadow and see what it will give me. Oh, I like it. You all know Lyn Makeover is a Voltarian, right? So she actually named the colors over here in Ewe, Makeover, Ewenam, Nyovino, Eriram, Akushika, Etonam, and the rest. So this particular color that I'm using, this particular one, is called MFA. Yeah. So before you fix your false lashes, use your mascara to brush your natural eyebrow up. This particular process, you can skip it if you are not the type that like it, but for me, it gives the makeup a total look altogether. I tell you, it is not even up for a debate. Yes, so if you are a type that do not like it, you can skip it actually. So with my false lashes, I have a lot to actually choose from, but I actually like this particular one that I've actually fixed before, this short one. So I'll still maintain that one. It's quite short, so I'll maintain this one. mascara to brush the natural lash up so that it will not be looking obvious here. Abeg go make I no cry. So I'll spray over the whole makeup before I commence with my lipstick. So I'm using Case Beauty Superstar Makeup Fix Spray. That is what I'm using today. It's actually new and it smells really, really good. It smells really, really good. Right, so let's do our lipstick now, and I'm using Issa and Do's Piggin Crash Lip Palette. This now it is time for me to use my bronzer. Right here, bridge of your nose, the cheek, a smile, a fake smile, little gloss on it. I'm just using a lip balm. The skin to be shiny, especially when you are wearing off shoulder. It's advisable that you apply a little bronzer here, the powdered one. This place is not a must actually. If you can't do it or you don't like, just leave it, okay? Otherwise you end up spoiling the whole makeup, right? So this is the last finishing spray I am going to do. Probably have to leave my hair. So guys, this is the final result of today's tutorial. Please don't forget to leave your honest opinion about the look, and please share for people to get to know about my channel as well. Thank you for being part of my small beginning. Always tell a friend to tell another friend about Lyn Makeover YouTube channel. Please and please share, comment, like. It's not taking anything away from you. It's really not a force though, but I really need your support for me to build the presence that I need on this YouTube channel. So please don't forget, subscribe, and please remember that I love you so much for being supportive always. Catch you all in my next upload. Bye.